Hi guys, Treasure Tuber is here again and I put together a new video how you can earn money online free, nothing to pay for. I'm not selling anything, just putting my knowledge into the video format to show you how you can earn money online by watching videos. This is amazing, check it out.
This video, I show you the best 3 apps that pay you real money by just watching videos, which are some of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. These are the best 3 apps that pay you real money. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. As you can see right here, this is a payment I received by simply watching videos. Now the 3 steps to earning this amount of money in just one day are: Step 1. I'll be revealing the best 3 apps that are paying people real money to watch videos. Step 2. I'll be showing you how to get other people to watch the videos for you so you can get paid without doing the work yourself. And Step 3. I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below, "I am from blank, aka your country." In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started with the very first app. So this is the first app. It's not the highest paying app, but definitely one you want to get started with. With this app, you can get rewarded just by using your phone. So they paid out over $5.8 million to users like you and me since 2012. The best part is they have lots of different ways for you to earn on their app, but the most paying one is watching videos. Now I'm going to log into this app so you can see exactly how it works. So as you see right here, all I had to do was go to cash and just start redeeming my cash rewards through PayPal or Visa gift card. The greatest part is that they have a payment threshold of only $5, meaning we can cash out our earnings quickly and easily. Now, $5 is equivalent to 3,000 points, which you can earn from watching videos. But later on in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get other people to watch the videos for you. Now, if you go over to the offers tab right here, you can see many different things you could do on this app. When you click on one of these offers, video ads are going to pop up. So just let them play in the background. You can minimize them, but let them play all the way through. And each time one plays through, you're going to earn points which can then be redeemed and exchanged for real money. That's exactly how you earn on this particular app. So this app is called featurepoints.com. Now, moving on to the second app on our list, where you can earn points and get free gift cards. So you can see here tons of different ways to earn money. You can play games on this app, you can shop online, share your opinion, and so on and so forth. But we will be focusing on watching videos because it's the most paying one. As you can see, complete playlists to earn up to 500 points per day while being entertained, which could then be redeemed into real money. Now let's go ahead and log into the app. When you logged in, you're going to see lots of different stuff. But all you have to do is click on this watch tab, and that's going to take you to this page where you can see different types of videos. So you can obviously watch different types of videos like active living videos, world news, daily entertainment content, Hollywood updates, and so on and so forth. So instead of watching on YouTube, you could come over here, watch and get paid. So this app is called mypoints.com. Now, what's very cool with this app is they do also have a program that I will show you exactly how to utilize in just a moment. But before that, we're going to move on to the highest paying app, which is called swagbucks.com. Now what's cool about this app is if you sign up today, you're going to get a $10 bonus for absolutely free. So you just earn $10 simply for watching this video right here, because I showed you this particular app. The greatest part is you could keep doing this over and over again. So if you use different emails, maybe you have a brother or a sister, or your mom and dad, who you know wants to have you manage their account, you can earn additional $10 bonus. So they paid out over $617 million to their users around the world. Now let's go ahead and log into the app. So you can see here lots of things to do. However, the first thing we're going to do is not actually watching videos, but instead I want to show you how to get other people to watch the videos for you so you can earn even more because they will do all the work for you. In that way, you don't have to ever log in to watch videos on this app, you could just log in to collect your earnings. Now all you have to do is click more and then just click on refer and earn, and that's going to take you to this page right here. So this is the refer and earn tab. Now, what's cool is they're going to give you 300 swag bucks bonus, plus a 10% lifetime earnings for each person you refer to this app. So that's going to stack up every single person that signs up to this app, which they will, because they can earn money too. So it's a win-win situation. You're going to get 300 swag bucks bonus, plus 10% of whatever they earn. So if they earn 100 bucks, you're going to get 10 bucks. If they earn 1,000 bucks in a week, you're going to get 100 bucks, simply just for referring them and letting them watch the videos and do the work. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to get 100 people to sign up under your referral link. So this is going to be your referral link right here, share your swag button referral URL. So go ahead and copy this right here. This is your special link. Anyone who clicks it and signs up through it, they're going to get a $10 bonus for absolutely free. And on the other hand, you're going to get a 300 swag bucks bonus, plus 10% of their lifetime earnings. It's a win-win situation. Now, I want you to come over to this forum called Trendry.com. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn free PayPal money by just opening an email, which is one of the best ways to make money online.